At the Polk Soil and Water Conservation District, we work to protect the natural resources in Polk County. We do this by cooperating with land managers, farmers, and community members. We provide technical assistance and programming based on enhancing the natural environment around us. Today, we are highlighting the CREP program.
The structure of the Conservation Reserve Program, which I'm going to call CREP because everyone does, what it boils down to is a voluntary program for a landowner to be able to put under contract the riparian areas that are along the streams that have been used for agriculture for years. The program provides technical assistance to help the landowner decide what he should plant into those areas. It also provides, of course, a rental rate for him, an annual one, that corresponds to the typical rental rate that's in the area. Also, the program provides a reimbursement and a cost share for the expense of putting in that riparian area. Now, this program, because of these pluses, has been a win-win situation, not only for the salmon and other fish species, but also for the water quality that we really need for not only the fish, but for the other wildlife, and actually for all of those of us who depend upon good water quality. The landowners are extremely important to this program. So this has been a win-win because of the efforts of many different organizations and landowners to make this a success.
I'm a farmer here in Polk County, have been for a long time, since the 1980s. And as that, we had some issues that on the farm that made me want to deal with stream issues. So in the CREP program, the benefits to us personally were we were able to get the streams all fenced out so that we kept our livestock out of the stream. And that saved us from losing animals in there and having issues with the water quality. We wanted to stay in compliance with all the water quality laws, and we wanted to improve the water quality on our property. So that was a big thing. And it gave me more management ability on the farm. I was able to put in watering facilities. I was able to separate and make more separate pastures to where I could rotate cattle better. I could get better management of the ground and better utilization, and actually an increased forage by doing better management and having the ability to do better management. So it helped us from that standpoint. It also helped us, we've always had a passion for wildlife habitat and trying to leave things better than they were before. And this gave us an opportunity to make the property better and make it long-term where it's more sustainable and better for future generations.
Program requirements include being in control of the land for at least 12 months. The land must have been used for agriculture 4 out of the last 6 years. This could include crops and/or grazing livestock. The proposed buffer must be located near a perennial or seasonal stream, and the buffer must be at least 35 feet wide along the entire length with a maximum average of 180 feet. If accepted, site prep would include removing invasive plants and establishing native trees and shrubs.
If you're interested in CREP and want to see if your land qualifies, we recommend having a conversation with your local CREP technician. During the call, they'll chat with you, schedule a site visit to see if your land qualifies and if it's a good fit for you. If you have questions about specific program incentives, we recommend talking with a farm service agency for program details. And if you'd like to learn more about all we do, our CREP program, and more, visit polkswcd.com.